know about you, but I have tons of retro games console controllers hanging around my house. And I love these things. But surely there's a way I can take some of this beautiful 90s sort of retro arcade design and make it into something which I can display on the wall. And thanks to the wonders of 3D printing, I have been able to. So let's put this on the printer and see what I can do with these fantastic pieces of 90s video game tech. Okay, with the printing done, I've now got quite a good looking bracket here. I mean, it's a little rough, but once I've spray painted it and put a bit of filler primer on there, you won't notice the line marks. I've managed to snap off the front part of it and put a piece of paper clip in there as well to make sure that the front bracket is safe and secure so my lovely pad doesn't fall off on the floor and break. Let's see what this looks like on my wall. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to let me know that I can continue making videos, and click the notification button so you can see when my next upload takes place.